to order that we take plea and we make the other applications. That will be all.
Why are you restricting me? You never restricted them. I'm only replying to points of law. I'm not going to repeat anything. What I'm saying, Your Honor, is that number one, my learned colleague, Mr. Ndubi, Mr. Mungiki, learn to know my name because I'm always in court. Yes. My learned colleague has raised serious constitutional and legal issues which cannot just be washed under the carpet. This country is a democracy. They have said of independent offices under Article 248. Look at Article 249, A, B, and C. Those commissions and independent offices have to protect the sovereign power of the people of Kenya. Those commissions and independent offices have to promote the democratic values in the society of Kenya. Those commissions are not supposed to be subject to any other agency or authority. So what we are saying is this: contextualize these constitutional values and apply them to these three aspects. Number one, they were arrested on 19th. They are held incommunicado, no communication with the family or lawyers or anybody. Nobody knows where they were. They are now being sneaked to court 1 week later. Even when the High Court gave a habeas corpus orders, they never respected it. These people have a cash bail. The High Court gave them a cash bail of 100,000 shillings. They did not respect that. Your Honor, you took an oath. The oath you took was to protect, promote, and preserve the Constitution. And what we are urging you now is, Councillor has said that when you look at the office of the ODPP as currently constituted, there is a problem because there is an interpretative question whether the office as currently constituted can properly prefer judges against this. Because I know even in anti-corruption cases, they cannot now file cases against anti-corruption cases because the office is not properly constituted. So we wanted to know how did they categorize that this one they can proceed and others they cannot proceed. So that is an issue for interpretation of the Constitution. Article 157 of the Constitution, which creates the office of the ODPP. That's what Council raised. Then as read with Article 248 and 249, there is an issue which is conflicting. Now, the lower court has power, Your Honor. My learned colleague, Mr. Whitty, has misapprehended the Constitution. And with tremendous respect, the lower court has jurisdiction